So guys, I have this with me, so we are going to show you some products. So I'm going to do a client, so I'm going to show you what I have from Mimikyu. So this is 40 rand from Mimikyu. This is a setting spray, so affordable guys, very affordable. So I'm going to use it for the first time. That's how it's looking.
Hello.
It's a snail hydrating setting spray for finishing look, not for priming. So that's what we have. Makeup artist. So we have this. I bought this. See, very affordable. 49 rand this one. So let's remove. I'm just showing you to show you that makeup is not, mostly it's about your skin. So this one is 100 rand. The lashes 100 rand. Unique product, not a person. So this one is 9 rand. So there is a spoolie, and that's our, but we need to sharpen it. That's our pencil. So we have this bonding glue. This one is for my hair.
You want to go and bavola that side?
So let's just leave it there. So guys, this is a primer. It's from Mimikyu. That's a primer. So let me show you up for signature store what's in the bag, signature, what's in the bag. So here is the lipstick. It's a lipstick, matte lipstick. Is it lip gloss? We have a lipstick here guys. So each time you see your lipstick, you must open here. Look, they say it's a sample. This one, it's a sample. So let us put here. So don't throw away your lipstick when you finish, because this is a sample. What? Then here is the lipstick. So that's a sample lipstick. We close it.
Mommy, look what I was taking.
Yo, put it back, please. Here is the lip gloss. Love you.